Hey, Kodruts here. I'm super excited to share with you my game plan this year and beyond with affiliate marketing. I have this secret Google Sheet which I created to track my own success with affiliate programs. I started off with 40 affiliate programs. These can make you 4,000 per month in recurring revenue. Okay? So I have this Google Sheet which I use to track my programs. I believe that we are close to 70 individual programs. The interesting part about this is that they are sorted by category. All of these are relevant to the digital marketing niche. So if you're into blogging or making money online, or online businesses, this will work for you. I'm not offering any other non-digital marketing programs here. So what is the best part about this is that some programs pay into tier revenue, meaning if you bring other affiliates under your account via your affiliate link, you get paid from all the affiliate sales that those people, those top affiliates are going to produce. Why I mention that? Because that's the first method I used almost 20 years ago when I started online with Aweber. So with Aweber, I've been promoting them since they offered their 2-tier affiliate commissions. That was back in 2006. I've made a bunch of money with them, and I still make about $100 per month after month, without lifting any finger. I'm not promoting at the moment Aweber. I haven't done it for many years. All I did was add a few super affiliates under my link here back in 2006, and then the revenue started to roll in. So imagine if you make $100 with just one program. It's getting easier to join a few and reach a few thousands. So my game plan is to build a community of top affiliate earners, people who are proactive, and together we are going to explore how to grow viral. How to grow viral with YouTube, how to grow viral with Pinterest, how to grow viral with Google, with organic search. These top 3 platforms have something in common. We can identify on any one of these programs how many people are searching online for them, what specific terms they type in particular in YouTube and Google. With Pinterest, we can find more general ideas. I haven't tested yet Pinterest, but it's something which I want to get into later on, because like I said, the goal with this community is to share what works for me, and at the same time share the results, share the tools, share the processes, the strategies with you. Most of my methods are tested and derived from the work of other people. For example, with YouTube, I started with YouTube. Lately, I have created this channel. I have plenty other channels to focus on in the next months, but for now I'll focus on this because I'm putting up this on sale for Flippa. So I sell my blog and my YouTube channel, which is legit. Okay, it's doable, it's official, it's allowed. So for this project, I am building my YouTube growth library. So the way this works is, for example, if you are new to YouTube or if you're just starting your channel, you need to know, okay, what niche and topics get viral so I can replicate, what keywords, how to do keyword research, what's the latest YouTube algorithm changes, what AI tools to use, what thumbnails. So whenever you want to learn about particular ingredients about YouTube, you just go into these subtopics, you click watch the particular third-party videos from other people, and then you click on details, because this is where you will see my my screenshots from these videos and checklist and other notes, so that you are able to be fast enough and implement the information. This is how I was able to build 26 videos with an AI tool, how I was able to create intriguing descriptions, titles, thumbnails, etc. So I was able to learn a lot fast from other people's results. Okay, so I look forward to hearing from you and see you in the club. God bless.